SR2JK is i5 processor. Upgrade to SR2JH i7 processor. The original processor is 2.9 GHz Intel Core i5. Shut down. This is MacBook Pro A1706 13-inch. Remove the bottom case screws. Remove bottom case. Disconnect battery connector cable. Remove motherboard fixing screws. Remove the motherboard. Remove the heat sink screws. Remove the CPU heatsink. Take out mini BGA heating station. Fix the motherboard. Press the on/off button. Select the CPU.GPU button, then press the start button, and the motherboard will start preheating. When the progress bar reach about 50%, start using tweezers to remove the glue around the CPU. Wear scald-proof gloves. The progress bar reaches 100% and enter the soldering period. The host's buzzer starts to sound. Use air gun to assist heating. The temperature is set to about 400 degrees and the wind speed is 60. Heat for about 1 minute. Gently insert the blade into the pad. Remove the CPU. Press the pause button. Select the baking board mode. Press the start button. Add soldering paste. Clean lead-free tin from motherboard. Use low-temperature tin to drag the motherboard pad. Use soldering iron to flatten the motherboard pads. Do not use soldering tape. Press the pause button. After the motherboard cool down, clean the pads with PCB water. Press the CPU.GPU button. Press Start key. Add flux paste. Use a brush to evenly apply the flux paste. Use special tweezers SF20 to put the CPU on the motherboard. Align the pad position. When the progress bar reach 100%, start using an air gun to assist heating. The temperature is set to about 400 degrees and the wind speed is 60. Heat for about 30 seconds. Use tweezers to gently push the CPU. The CPU will automatically return to its original position. Use tweezers to gently press the four sides of the CPU. Press the pause button. After the motherboard cool down, remove the motherboard. Apply original UV glue on the edge of the processor. Use UV lamp to cure UV glue. Add thermal paste to the CPU crystal. Install heatsink. Install the heatsink screws. Install the motherboard onto the accessories. Power on. The motherboard start up and display, but cannot enter the OS system. The progress bar stop here and the machine cannot enter the OS system. Because the CPU has been replaced, the original BIOS data need to be rewritten. Power off. Disconnect the cable. Remove the motherboard. Take out UBOS2 tool. Use air gun to remove the BIOS chip. Install the chip into the corresponding socket. USB connected to the host. Press OK. Find the A1706 model. Select the corresponding board number 820-00239 BIOS data. The machine automatically write the original BIOS data. Write complete. Remove the BIOS chip. Solder the BIOS chip back to the motherboard. Put the motherboard back into the external. Connect the cable. Connect the battery cable. Connect to power. The machine automatically turn on. Enter user password. Enter the OS system. Now the processor is 3.3 GHz Intel Core i7. But the serial number is unavailable. Shut down. Insert the USB disk to add the serial number. Keep holding down the Option key. Select BBS. Enter the Add Serial Number interface. Enter the motherboard's original serial number. Machine restart. Enter password and enter user desktop. The processor has now been upgraded to i7. The serial number was also added successfully. Play music and test the audio. Testing the touch bar. Tested Wi-Fi and battery charging, and everything was normal. All functions tested normal. Shut down. Upgraded processor from i5 to i7 successfully. Repair completed.